The severe storms that hit the region last night produced a confirmed tornado. We showed you these images of damage near Sandy Lake in Mercer County. Today, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh reports it was caused by an EF1 tornado. A survey done today by the Weather Service concludes the twister produced winds of 100 miles an hour and stayed on the ground for about a quarter of a mile. This was the first tornado in Mercer County since June 2019. The Weather Service also investigated storm damage near Cochranton, determining that that was the result of straight line winds.